Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification failed. Your password is incorrect on your Apple ID iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, try to sign in. As you can see, verification failed. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect. So type OK. So now type on don't have Apple ID or forgot it. Type on forget Apple ID. Give your Apple ID. Type on next. So there are two methods to reset your Apple ID password: reset by email and answering security question. So I'm selecting reset by email. As you can see, password reset email sent. I have received an email from Apple. So open your email. Here is the reset now. So type it. So enter your new password. Scroll down and reset password. As you can see, password has been changed. So now you have to sign in with new Apple ID password. As you can see, my Apple ID has been signed in successfully right now. So thanks for watching.